And we are live. Well, all right. I wanted to welcome you to tonight's webinar, depending on where you're tuning in from, whether that's on the East Coast, the West Coast. It's 7 o'clock out here in California, and it's 10 o'clock over on the East Coast. I mean, people are tuning in from around the world on this webinar, and it's really cool to be able to present this through technology. I mean, that's how people are making a lot of money these days. That's how people are getting connected like never before, is through technology. So I wanted to welcome you to a technologically advanced company, to a financial fitness company, to a company called Wealth Generators. And the point of this webinar is to really obviously help you guys understand how you can learn how to make money, how you can learn how to make your money work for you. Instead of you trading hours for money, you could maybe trade money for money so you have more time. Because honestly, if you're trading time for money, you're going to stay broke because there's just not enough hours in the day for you guys to become rich. There isn't. And that's really sad to say. But hey, if you aren't making money in your sleep, you're pretty much going to work till the day that you die, which is very unfortunate. So with that being said, a little background on myself. My name's Logan Shippey. I'm 22 years old. I live out here in Orange County, California. Born and raised out this way. Went to high school out here. Went to about 2 months of college. Dropped out. Realized that formal education, it can only take you so far. And I'm not knocking it. I'm just saying that's how I felt. And there's a lot of successful entrepreneurs out there that don't really believe in the school system. The school system was created by entrepreneurs, people who were filling a need. People sometimes need the guidance, they need the direction, and other people out there, they see something already that they want to go after. They realize that working for someone else really isn't the best plan, and there's a common trend that usually happens where C students, they're usually the bosses, and A students end up working for those C students because the C students are out there, whether they're trading in the markets, they're flipping real estate, they're starting their own businesses, and they don't have time to just study other people's material. They're out there creating their own. So when I was about 19, 20 years old, started networking full time, was able to hit a high six-figure income, travel the world, live a great lifestyle. And actually, I want to tell you guys how I actually got involved in Wealth Gen. And before I go into that, obviously, I love business. Okay, I love making money, but it's more important to have a lot of fun. Okay, to be around awesome people, to be able to go to the beaches. I'm headed out to Hawaii on the first of the month in September with one of my really good friends, Darren, who's also involved in the business. And, we call it the fun life, just doing what you want, when you want, with who you want, being able to have financial freedom and time freedom, but to be able to really enjoy those two things as well. Because a lot of times people make money in corporate America, but they have those golden handcuffs where they have the money, but they can't even enjoy the money because they're out there working every single day. So our goal is to just have fun and obviously, like in the slide before, do some business, make a lot of money, and help others do the same. So moving forward, why Wealth Generators? All right. So about, what was it? It was about 7 months ago. One of my mentors told me, hey man, you got to go out to Utah. You got to meet with these guys. And I'm a busy person, right? I have a lot going on, a lot on my plate. And he told me, look, this product actually makes you money. These guys are genius. They figure out a way to teach people how to trade in the markets, to make a lot of money, to make their money work for them. I really think that you should go out to Utah. And so obviously they flew me out, because I'm a person of value, and they wanted me involved in the company. And I sat down with them. And the first thing that I saw was not another shiny ball opportunity. And a lot of you guys have seen shiny ball opportunities. Something looks really good for a second, and then you start looking more in depth. And obviously, I was a little bit skeptical when I first heard about this. I didn't want this to be another shiny ball. I didn't want to get distracted. I have my own goals, my own aspirations, my own achievements I want to accomplish, and I didn't want to get thrown off, right? And so when my mentor told me, you got to check this out, obviously I trusted his opinion. And when I went out there, I was extremely impressed with the corporate leadership. At the top left, we have Ryan Smith, the CEO. In the middle, Kevin Gohl, Varlin Law on the top right, Annette Rayner down at the bottom left. There's a couple other corporate members as well, but these are the ones that I met when I went out there. And I'll tell you guys, I am so impressed by what they have put together. These business individuals, these business-minded people that have, years and years of experience with startups and trading in the markets and running companies that, over $100+ million, did over $300 million in revenue. These are the types of people that you want running a company. Varlin Law at the top right, he was actually the highest paid employee at a company called Monavie that did almost $1 billion in sales, almost $1 billion company. So These are people that understand the industry of network marketing, and they're people that understand the industry of trading in the market and educating people on how to trade. So this is a great combination because we are putting education and we're putting the ability to make money in network marketing, but you have to have people with the right backgrounds to really pull this off. And I truly do believe that we have that here with the staff. So let's go into it. Our founders of the company, we have Chad Miller and Ryan Smith. They have 20 years of experience. Okay. 20 years ago, they had a dream that they opened. Well, it wasn't that they opened this, but this is their dream. This is their experience right here. They opened a stock brokerage firm. They had a national trading educational company called Teach Me to Trade. They had an online subscription trade company. They would basically mirror market experts concept. They created that, the financial fitness concept. This is what these guys developed. I mean, they wanted to teach people how to trade, but the only problem that with teaching people how to trade, and I sat down and talked with these guys, is the fact that like I could teach you how to fish, but it doesn't mean that you're gonna catch fish. So they built a company to over $300+ million a year that would teach people how to trade. And at that point, they sold it to Whitney Education. And Whitney Education went around and sold it to that guy that you see at the right hand side, Robert Kiyosaki. Okay. And this is scary because basically 95% of people don't know how to make money work for them. 5% of people do. Okay. 95% of people work for money. The other 5% in this population have their money work for them. So people like Warren Buffett, they say, hey, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Robert Kiyosaki says it best, I believe. He says, don't work for money, make it work for you. And we're going to show you exactly how you can do that. So again, the statistics, 5% have money work for them, 95% work for money. That's pretty, it's almost laughable. So how do we do it? Well, Wealth Generators is basically information and access, okay? It's a financial GPS that guides you through the markets. And it's kind of like, instead of you having to, I want you to picture this, okay? Let's say that we both had a race car, okay? We're sitting on the track, and I gave you the opportunity, instead of you having to race me on this track that you've never raced before, okay? You've never been on this track, you've never been in this car. Instead of having to race me, I'm the market expert, you could just hop in and ride shotgun. We're going to both hit the finish line at the same time. Which one? I mean, if you've never driven the track before, you've never driven the car, do you think you're going to get there faster than me? No. I'm an expert. I know the car. I know the track. So that's basically what they're doing here. They're giving you the ability to sit shotgun, and when they profit, you profit. So what's cool is when they take action, you take action on opportunity, and that opportunity turns into money. So let's talk about how we help people find, grow, and keep their income. Finding money, well, we help you find extra money within your own finances, and you didn't even really know it was there because a lot of times you're overspending. There's a lot more month at the end of the money instead of more money at the end of the month for odd reasons, like you going out to Chipotle every day, like you spending too much money on Jordans, like you spending here and there and this and that, and you're not paying down a bill that you should have. Maybe the interest on your credit cards is too high. So we're going to help you find income that you didn't know you had through our financial software. We're going to help you grow your income through the financial markets by following the experts, and through obviously the compensation plan, the bonus plan that we offer. Now that's completely optional. You do not have to share the business, but that could be your secondary stream of income if you decide to get involved with us. And third, we're going to help you keep your income, keep your money, by ensuring that you take advantage of every single tax deduction available to you by being a business owner. So I don't know if you guys understand this or not, because financial education isn't taught really in the States or Canada or really anywhere in the world, to be completely honest. But business owners have huge benefits, okay? Employees, they get screwed, in other words, in nice words, right? They get screwed. So as an employee, you actually make the least and you get taxed the most. And as a business owner, you make the most and get taxed the least. So every single day that you're not a part of Wealth Generators, every single day that you're an employee instead of a business owner, you're actually losing money. It's actually costing you money not being a part of this business, and that's a crazy thing. So helping you find money. Well, WG Money, the software, we're actually updating it all right now. We're getting our own PFM app and all this different stuff, but it helps you create a budget, helps you eliminate your debt. There's a net worth calculator. It links up with your bank account, security level 5. It's really, really cool stuff because it gives you visual charts of where you're at financially, and it will give you email alerts if you're overspending or underspending as well. Also, we have Ross Jardine, who's the WG Money education expert. He's been on CNN. He's considered America's money man. He's got a monthly live webinar with us, a lot of different educational things that he has in the back office. And then let's go into our trades, right? Because managing money and finding your money is cool, but let's get to the meat and potatoes. Let's get to the real stuff here, the juicy information. And this is where making money is really attractive with our business. Okay, Wealth Generators has very successful market experts with over 40 plus years of experience that are our traders. It's vertically integrated. We own this technology, and the experts, we don't have to pay for them. They're a part of our company. You know what I mean? Like, they did this with us. And so there's almost 60 years of experience, and there's combined over 100 plus years of experience with the founders of the company and the experts. So they developed six successful trading strategies. They do the research, they manage the strategies, they deliver it to you in a concise, easy to use email alert system. And it should take you maybe like a couple hours a week to do these trades, which is really, really simple. And in each trade, there's a video that shows you exactly what to do. So you get the email alert to your computer or to your phone, whatever, and there's a video that shows you step by step. So it's the inverse model of what we were taught in school. We were taught learn, study, take the test, hopefully get an A, pass the test. And with trading in the market, what they used to do is teach people, and then you'd have to do the research, the analysis, and all those things. And hopefully you make money in the market. But now you don't have to do the research. You don't have to do the analysis. You follow the experts. You make money. You don't even really know what you did to make money. You clicked a couple buttons and followed their directions. And it's kind of like now, instead of you having to worry about cheating on the test, it's almost like the teacher comes up to you and says, hey, the answer to question 1 is A. The answer to question 2 is C. And that's them doing the research, them doing the analysis, and then giving you the picks. So with following the experts, these are some examples of our Forex alerts that you're going to get to your actual cell phone. These are some screenshots so you can see the Forex, and then we use actually Talonx as our brokerage account. So very, very easy. What's really cool is we actually have videos. If you're part of the Wealth Club group that we have on Facebook, if you see that movement, Wealth Club, it's because we're blowing up. We have a lot of successful people that are on board with our movement. And so we have the videos that show you how to set up your broker account, how to use MetaTrader 4, the basics of Forex and everything else. And as you can see, we have Jarrell that actually screen shares and shows you exactly how to set up everything. So we're really grateful for him that he put together these videos, as well as we have videos in the back office once you join. In the back office, that's just slang term for basically once you join and you have a subscription with Wealth Generators. In the back office, which is when you log in, there will be about 5 to 6 videos that educate you on the market and teach you how to set everything up. We just like doing things ourselves because it's more personal that way as well. So how do you follow the experts, right? There's an enter trade, there's an update on the trade, and then there's an exit. And these are all color coded. So green means we want the stock to go up. Red means we want the stock to go down. Yellow means we want the stock to stay within that range. Blue is just information. You don't need to take any action. And so these are examples of what the actual weekly options look like. And the charts, obviously, I mean, you don't have to understand this. I don't really understand this. I'm trying to figure it out. I'm really earning before I'm learning on the market, which is great. You really don't have to pay attention to any of this. You just follow the directions. But if you do choose to, let's say, understand what is going on here, you'll probably be more successful. That's just how it is, because you can do trades outside of WG because you learn things from them, and you can, implement that knowledge and make more money. So here's examples of the entry screen. So what it will look like at the end of the trade. And then there's a video that will show you exactly how to place the trade. So sorry about that. There was some audio. But anyways, yeah, one of our market experts like Corey will break down exactly what to do. So as you can see, we have 6 winning trade strategies with our stock market. We have the swing trade. We have the S&P 500, the stock strategy, SPX. We just had an SPX trade today, option strategy, momentum strategy. So these are all strategies to help you guys make a lot of money in the market. And so there's a couple different packages with stocks. We have the monthly 3-pack and the weekly 3-pack. And so if you want to trade more often, do the weekly 3-pack. If you just want a couple trades, let's say like 1 to 2 trades a week, monthly 3-pack is your way to go. So you'll have about 10 to 15 trades on the weekly packs per month. And then on the monthly pack, you'll have around like seven to eight trades. So depends what you want to do. If you want to be more engaged and you want to make more money, have more opportunity to make more money, I'd say definitely go with the weekly 3-pack. And so, you can see what does it take, which one should I choose? Well, with the monthly 3-pack, you might spend 1 to 2 hours per month trading, which is like, I do the trades, guys, in less than 10 minutes. They're so easy to follow. And so with the weekly 3-pack, you might put in a little bit more time. You maybe spend, instead of 10 minutes once a week, twice a week, maybe you spend a total of 40 to 50 minutes per week, for real. That's how simple it is with this business. So with the WG, the Forex pack, okay, this is where things get a little bit different, because obviously with stocks, it's not the same as Forex. With the Forex pack, you're actually going to get access to all of our alerts. And what's cool about Forex is you can do this straight from your phone, guys. It's not like you have to do it from the computer. Again, you can do it straight from your phone. You can download MetaTrader 4, do through Talonx, everything like that. And the actual Forex pack itself, as you can see, it's $129, and it's a little bit more expensive with the Forex, but you get access to our Forex training as well. Okay, so that's what is the more expensive. It's $50 more for the Forex, but I'm telling you guys, the results that people are seeing in the market by following our directions is absolutely bananas. Like, you just wait till you see some of these results. So moving forward, the past trading results with our stock market, okay, we've had a 1,200% ROI in the last 24 months. So to put that into stupid terms, we turned about $2,000 into 27 grand in 24 months. We turned, $5,000 into like 60 grand. The average trade that we're doing, we're averaging about 5% profits on each trade. Okay, we've had over 250 trades in the last 24 months. 250, times 5%, that's a 1,200% ROI. That's how we come up with those numbers. Now, in the month of June, we had a 200% ROI. In July, we had over, I believe it was like 150+% ROI just in 1 month. So if you put those 2 months together, that's 200% plus. So that's like 350% right there, just in a couple months. And what is your bank giving you? It's only giving you 0.03% a year, which is just, it's almost criminal, for real, because they're turning your money into a lot more. So with Forex, I want to show you guys, this is basically what an update looks like. This trade, it was funny. One of the guys in the business, he came up and he explained how much money he made. This was at a meeting in Downey, and he made about $750 on the single trade, right? Forex is awesome because you can actually leverage your money. You can leverage it extremely high. So this profit was a profit of 95 pips, which basically pips are an increment of, it's a measurement of profit with Forex. It's very, very simple. You'll definitely hear a lot of people say, hey, catching pips. I can't wait to catch some pips today to make some money. That's just slang for that. But yeah, people are making money left and right with our alerts. We actually just had an alert go out today. So let's move on to the last part, and this is TaxBot. See, with being a business owner, you want to make sure that you're taking advantage of all deductions, all right? So things that you do, like let's say go out and eat. If you're going out to eat and you're talking to a friend about the business, guess what? That's a business deduction. That's a meal, a business meal. Let's say that you hop in your car, you go to a meeting to talk to someone about the business as well as having the meal. Well, guess what? The mileage in your car is also a deduction. Let's say that you want to go to Hawaii like me on September 1st and you're going to do some marketing out there. Guess what? That entire trip is now a marketing expense. That's a deduction. So you guys can literally deduct pretty much everything you're doing as a business expense as long as it pertains to your business. And the best way to do that is through TaxBot. So TaxBot is an application that we partnered with. It's very, very easy, simple to use. It tracks your GPS. There's over 40 plus tax training videos. It's made by Sandy Botkin. Everything is all in one spot. Instead of you having to shoebox receipts for the end of the year, you just snap pictures on your phone and you're good to go. So let's talk about the product pricing and what happens, once you get involved, obviously. So as a customer, it's $129 to join on the stocks. As a customer with Forex, it's about $175, $179 roughly. And so if you want to make money, obviously, by sharing the business, which I'll show you how to do, then with the stocks, it's $150 or $250, right? And then with Forex, it's either $200 or $300. So most people, like most leaders that I have join up in this business, if they're serious about sharing the business and serious about maximizing their profit margins, if they want to trade stocks, they get in off the $250. If they want to trade Forex, they're getting it at the 300. And then if you can't quite afford that, $200, right? Just do the $200 package and then plan to upgrade, because I'm telling you, it's worth it. So what's cool about this is they're so confident in their product. Like a lot of times, let's say that you guys went to the gym, right? You got a gym membership, you went to the gym, and imagine if your gym said, hey, we're so confident that you're going to get shredded and you're going to get a six pack, that if in 6 months you work out here and you don't have that six pack, we're going to refund you your 6 months. And not only we're going to refund you, but we're actually going to triple back your refund. Like, that's crazy, right? So if you're a part of this business, it's either 200 or 300 bucks to join, right? And at that point, okay, if you're paying, it's 200 to 300 up front, and then it's 129 a month, okay, which is also tax deductible. That's your overhead to run your business. That's a tax deduction. Use it on TaxBot. Now, 129 times 6 times 3, that's $2,339.82 if you're a penny less profitable in 6 months and you follow our strategies. I mean, you guys tell me, what's the risk? What is the risk there? The risk, I mean, I love this quote. The biggest risk is not taking a risk at all. Just think about it. You can't take the first step without taking the second one. The best way to get ahead is to get started. And if you don't really have that much risk, what is ultimately keeping you from getting started is just yourself. You're just scared. But what is there to be scared of if there's a triple back guarantee? So moving forward, I mean, it's all about consistency with this business. Now, how do we grow your income by helping others see this? Well, once you get 3 active personally enrolled people in your business, you're actually making $129. We call this guaranteed, to where you get your trade alerts for free. You're now getting alerts that are worth thousands and thousands of dollars. Literally, like this could make you, I mean, think about this. They used to charge thousands of dollars just to educate people on how to trade. Now they're giving it to you for 129 bucks a month, giving you the picks on to make money. You could turn this $129 that you're paying of information, you could turn that into thousands a month, tens of thousands a month. It just depends on what you really want to do with this information, because information is power when applied correctly. So at that point, you get 3 people involved, okay? Your mom, your brother, your sister, your friends, whatever it is, from in-state, out-of-state, out-of-country, they can get involved in this business. 3 of them, that's all you need, 3 people in the world, right? Now you got your trade alerts for free. You got a huge asset for free. And so once you help, okay, if you want to make an extra $560 a month, you need to help 3 do what you just did. See, it's kind of like a follow me system, okay? When you join, your objective is to trade in the market. And if you want to make money and you want to get your trade alerts for free, start sharing. You share with 3 people, right? Now, at that point, you're just going to duplicate that. You're going to help 3 people do what you did. Because you just did it, now you can teach it, right? That's what the system is. It's like, I'm going to do it, and I'm going to teach you how to do it. So if you got 3, you can teach 3 to get 3. That's 12 people in your total network, in your structure, right, in your business. And at that point, you're making $560 a month, and 3 people have what? They got free trade alerts. That's awesome. That's what this business is all about. So moving forward, if you want to make, let's say, an extra $1,000+ a month, about a $1,200, $1,300, $1,500 plus, right? All you need is 1,300 group volume, which everyone's worth 100 group volume. So that means you need to have about 13 people, and 13 people. That's just about 40 people in your entire network to make $1,000+ a month in residual income. It's more like $1,200 to $1,300 a month in residual income, month after month after month. Now, that's an extra like almost $14,000, $15,000 a year. And imagine what you could do with that extra $1,000+. Imagine what you could turn that into now that you have a plan to make more money trading Forex, right? Imagine if you were catching 95 pips. Imagine if you were catching even more. Imagine if you started learning how to do this, and then you used our platform to learn how to make money. And then from there, you started networking with traders outside of this as well, right? And then you started your own little mastermind group, which we're all doing. We're all learning how to trade Forex. And this is just our base foundation. And from there, we're just growing our accounts every single day. And we're using the money from this business that we're making in the markets. And then also on top of that we're sharing, we're using that money to make more money. So what happens? You get involved. You start obviously trading. At that point, you make money. You show off your results. You follow, you prosper, you share. You show, you obviously show the results. People want to get involved. You make more money. You trade with that money. You show off those results. And it just continues and continues and continues. It's follow, prosper, share, make money, right? Make more money with that money, make more money with that money, make more money with that money. It's just make money, make that money work for you, repeat. Make money, make that money work for you, repeat. So it's a very simple business to share, again, because everyone wants to make money, but not as many people as you think really know how to do it. So you can make all the way up to 2,000 a month, 4,000 a month, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 50 plus $1,000 a month. I mean, I don't know about you guys, but an extra 600 bucks a month, an extra 1,000 bucks a month, that's what I was focused on in the beginning, because I knew that if I could just do that, I could have a testimony, I could share this with people. I knew that an extra 600 to 1,000 a month is a car payment, food money, gas money, all those things that you really need, right? The necessities, and anything past that is just kind of a luxury. Because if I asked you guys right now, what would you do with an extra 5,000 to 10,000 a month? You probably wouldn't know how to answer me. But if you're a part of this business, you'd probably say, hey, I'd start trading it. And so now we're giving you the plan to trade, which is great. So we're giving you, again, a financial plan in a financial fitness business. So the unilevel bonus, this is basically where you're getting paid out 5% on pretty much everyone in your organization. It pays out like 3 levels for the first, couple ranks in the business, then the 5 levels, 7 levels, all the way up into the 10K volume, 25. Basically, you're just getting $5 a person. So if you had 12 people in your business, you're making 500 guaranteed plus another $5 times 12 people. That's 60 bucks. So that's the unilevel paying in. So if you had a team of like 1,000 people, right? You could be getting paid in the first 7 levels, which could be like you enroll someone who enrolls someone who enrolls someone who enrolls someone 7 levels down. You're getting paid $5 each person. So that's really powerful. Like, especially when your team starts growing large, you'd be making a lot of money from that unilevel, as well as the residual aspect, which is obviously the wealth clubs. Now, this is the last piece of this business that really gets me excited, and this is the qualified generator bonus, because a lot of money is going to be made here. It's been made by me, it's been made by JC, it's been made by Joseph, it's been made by Darren and Brennan and all these guys in this business, Nanad, whoever it is, that's coming in here. They're making a lot of money off this one-time bonus, but it's not really one time, and you'll see why. And this is only given to the people that sign up on that $300 package or the $250 package with the stock market. It's the upgraded qualified generator bonus, okay? So this is why you want to be a qualified generator, is because you'll make a lot more money than you would just being a generator. Let's put it that way. So going through, okay? Now, I want you to think about this like karma, okay? Karma. What goes around comes around. So on your first 1, 3, and 4, if you're signing up qualified generators, you actually make money. Or on your first 1, 3, and 4, you don't make money. Those go up to your upline, okay? Picture that you do not get those commissions if you sign them up, right? But it's like karma now, okay? Wait for this. Wait for it. Okay. So now on your 2, 5, and 6, you make $40, right? And that's pretty cool. You make 40, 40, 40. Now, at that point, you're like, all right, that's great. But on your 2s, first, third, and fourth, guess what? You make $40 as well. It's like karma. Remember, on your first, third, and fourth, you didn't make money. But now on your second sign up, on his first, third, and fourth, now you make $40 commissions. And then it just keeps on going up, okay? And then it can go all the way up to like your 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th. You're actually making 40, then 75, then 90. It's crazy, guys. Like, you're making a buttload of money off this coded bonus, and it goes down infinitely. Okay, it's kind of hard for me to actually show you through this little diagram. I don't really like this diagram. But if you're seriously interested in learning how you can make 40, 75, or $90 every time that you sign someone up, or even $50, and then that goes down all the way, okay, all the way down infinitely, you need to learn this, okay? You need to really get in contact with us, because this can make you a lot of money. As you can see, the $75 commissions are just going up and up and up. There's so much money to be made in this coded bonus. You could be making, my first week involved in this, guys, made over $5,000 with the coded bonus. And that's not to like say, well, I'm the beast or whatever, but it's just to give you proof that, hey, this really does work. And these coded bonuses are paid out weekly, okay? So your residual is paid out once a month on the 15th, and then your coded bonuses are actually paid out every single week, every single Friday. So you can get, imagine if you sign someone up, if you get to your 10th sign up, if you sign someone up on your 10th sign up on a qualified generator pack, you make $90, okay? As soon as he enrolls his first 1, 3, 4, guess what? You make 90, 90, 90. As soon as they enroll their first 1, 3, 4, 90, 90, 90, right? That's just so powerful. That's so powerful. You guys could be making about $1,000 by helping someone get to the 500 club By helping your 10th sign up get 12 people in their business, you can make $1,000. That is so powerful. Okay, they're making $560+ plus. You're making about 1,000. Boom, there you go. That's huge incentive to work with people. So again, you can see on the 10th sign up and higher, you make 90, 90, 90. Anything past 10, you're getting 90 on, which I don't know about you, but I really like those $90 commissions because I know that I could use that money and go trade in the market and turn it into a lot more in Forex and then obviously the stock. So as you can see, you're paid out weekly on the coded bonus, and then you're obviously paid out monthly with your rank bonus. Now, additional recognition. You get an iPad when you hit about 100 people involved in your business. And then also, we have a huge recognition, which is a 100K recognition, which is about 1,000 people in your business. That sounds like a lot of people, but I'm telling you guys, you can do it, okay? Founders trip, this is going to be awesome. We're going to have really exotic locations. Like I'm talking like Dubai, or Fiji or something like that, where we're going to have to travel probably 15 hours on a plane. Not too excited about that. I don't like long plane rides, but hey, I'll do it for the team. But anyways, you guys need to get your butts to work so you can get on this founders trip with us. And when you hit a million volume, which is about 10,000 people, they're actually going to give you the pink slip to an $80,000+ car. Okay, $80,000+ car you get for hitting that million rank. And I'm telling you guys, in my career of network marketing, I've enrolled about, in my team is built to about 10,000 people. And I know that we can do this. Okay, we can make this happen here because we have a product that makes you money in an economy that's absolutely suffering, in a very connected, socially demographic youth movement that's just they're so money hungry that we're giving them that opportunity that they need. And that million volume, I'm gonna hit it. Okay, I'm just trying to help as many. You know what that's gonna be. It's gonna be when I hit a million volume. And I say it's not going to be me that hits a million volume. It's going to be all of you guys making $500-600 a month, $1,000 a month, $10,000 a month, $20,000 a month. There's going to be tons of you guys that are making some sick incomes. And maybe you're not focused on making 10 grand a month. Maybe you're just focused on getting that extra 500 to 1,000 a month. And that's all you need, right? But other people, they make it their must. They make it their mission, their chief aim to make 10 grand, 20 grand, 30 grand. If that's you, well, guess what? We need to work together, right? So, why wealth generators? This is just kind of in closing. It's inexpensive to participate, either 200 or 300 bucks, right? It's a product and a concept that makes sense with perfect timing. There's the Wealth Club bonuses, 7-pay unilevel engine, which basically means you get paid 7 levels. You could get paid $5 a person, which is huge. There's a qualified generator bonus, okay, which you could be making $40, $75, or $90 every time someone signs up. And then there's the additional rank advanced recognition with the trips, the iPads. We have a GoPro promotion where if you join right now and you enroll 3 people in your first 14 days, you're getting a GoPro. We're going to send you a GoPro. That's crazy, right? You can get a $200 Best Buy gift card. You can get a couple other things as well that we'll talk to you about. But I just wanted to let you know that this is happening. And I wanted to say thank you for hopping on tonight's webinar because this is something special.